startups, entrepreneurship, starting your own new business. Join me every week as we dive into stories, topics, and advices from the top founders, innovators, the crazy ones, the misfits, the troublemakers. Every Saturday at 4 p.m. I'll see you there.
What were you doing before Direct-to-PTV? Where were you working?
Before that, there was a little stint in theatre, so I'm a London theatre actor.
So the definition
the
of
things that you
entrepreneur
like.
isn't business. That's not related to business. The definition of entrepreneur to me is a person to jugaad jo word hota hai Pakistan mein.
So let's say if you're going through a problem, there's wars happening, you're upset, this or that, jo tumhara kaam hai, running your school or going abroad or whatever, just focus on that for the time being.
Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another podcast. मेरा नाम है साद अल्लाहवाला and this is the Startup Podcast. आज जो हमारे साथ गेस्ट है वो एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट है. वो मेरे ख़ास दोस्त भी हैं. वो एक renowned और known figure भी हैं. मेरी अम्मी के ज़माने के, मेरे ज़माने के नहीं, but today I have Sohail Hashmi with me. Sohail Hashmi की लिस्ट काफ़ी लंबी है चीज़ों की जो करते हैं. He is an abstract artist, an actor, a director, television producer, TV anchor, marketing director, radio presenter, writer, publisher, content writer, video, voiceover artist, filmmaker, digital media services, and Sohail Hashmi and Associates. जो बीच में बोरिंग सा किया था वो चलेगा? वो कैरेक्टर ऐड कर रहा हूँ ना मैं. सोहेल हाशमी ने जो सबसे ज़्यादा जो मुझे याद जो चीज़ है जो सिखाई है, he's taught me a lot. He's a friend, he's a mentor, is उतार and चढ़ाव. That's something that we won't talk about today because there's a lot of content we've already made on it. But we'll learn more about him, his journey, his experiences, his point of views on things, and how he made it, and what we can learn from him. Thank you so much for coming, Sohail.
You're too kind. Thank you very much indeed, Saad. Badi dili khushi hui hai to be here with you. And I don't know whether people will be able to understand that you are actually my friend.
हाँ.
Because ye umar mein aur you don't really see friendships like that, you know. Kuch hoga bada hoga, haan bete bete. It's a quite very luckily we have quite a nice kind of a friendship, which I think is such a wonderful thing to have these days. Aajkal ke zamane mein ye is qisam ki cheez honi. So thank you very much for having me on. Good
Thank
to be
you
here
so
with
much for teaching me and guiding me so much. हम लोग काफ़ी टाइम से ये podcast waited था, अब finally अब जाके हो रहा है. But I'd like to start off from, so you've told me a bunch of times in bits and pieces, but I'd like to know more about you.
Okay.
Because we get to know about a person, about the way they are, and the great things that they're doing by looking at and learning from their past, learning from their experiences, not just past.
Right.
तो मैं आपकी स्टोरी से शुरू करना चाहूँगा कि where did you start? So where were you born? Where was your education? Did you even get any education? And how did that happen?
I was born in London, and many, many years ago. So I'm slightly older than you. So I was born in London. My parents at that time were based there. And to cut a long story short, I used to come to Pakistan quite a bit on holidays. So, ek kisam ki, because of the family values that we had at that time, hopefully it will continue. I was very patriotic for Pakistan. तो and you also find कि जो लोग पाकिस्तान से दूर रहते हैं, although I am not a Pakistan return, I am a person who's born there, so I'm British, I'm a British Pakistani. लेकिन मुझे फिर भी पाकिस्तान के साथ बहुत प्यार था, है, रहेगा, because you have wonderful, beautiful people here. whatever happens in other factors are totally different. They could be political
Of
or
course.
otherwise. But the people here in this country, I have always felt a kinship to them because मैं Pakistani हूँ. So I've found joy and love in most things. So when you look at it like that, then you find that जितने आप अच्छी चीज़ों को देखने की कोशिश करते हैं, तो फिर उतनी ही अच्छी चीज़ आपको मिलती है. Take you, for instance. Who would have ever thought that you and I would be friends, right? But you have to have an open mind. You have to. So वहाँ से, then at the age I studied, lived in Denmark as well, predominantly lived in London. Then many years afterwards, through my wishing and wanting and the universe, Alamia, and all the rest of it, I managed to get a very nice position here as a director marketing for PTV in 1999. So then I came here in 1999, looked after the position.
So what were you doing before Direct to PTV? Where were you working?
When I was in London, I had finished my education. I had started doing a job at Khalij Times.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so I also worked with Khalij Times. I think it was one of my first jobs. I was looking after the London office, but from London I was going back and forth to Dubai, as you know, the Khalij Times. So that was something that was happening. Before that, there was a little stint in theatre. So I'm a London theatre actor
Oh, wow.
as well with I think the organization is still there in Wandsworth called Tara Arts. तो ये छोटी मोटी चीज़ें होती रहती थी because I wanted to do that. But then after that, then I went after PTV. I went to America to launch a channel. Stayed there for 2 years, and then my life changed after that because I thought, do I really want to be doing this? मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ या नहीं करना चाहता? Then I realized I want to do what I want to do. Why can't we do what we want to do? Because we always think पैसे कम होंगे, ये कम होगा, होते भी हैं. But then I came back to Pakistan 2003, 2004, and then I started my life full-time media. And that started from, as you know, City FM 89 from 2004. You must have been 4 years old at that time.
2004.
2004.
I was 2.
You were 2. You were 2 years old. Unbelievable. So you were 2 in 2004,
Okay.
right? So yeah. So फिर वहाँ से फिर production, direction, publishing, voiceovers, radio work. This then just continued. So quite a complex personality, nothing to be proud of, but lucky enough to be given the opportunities and hopefully taking them to my understanding.
So I hope you didn't take it under offense when I called you another, and I added another thing on here.
Acha.
I said you're an entrepreneur.
Nah, ठीक है. Yeah, because but you backed it up by saying he finds a way.
So the definition
the
of
things that you
entrepreneur
want.
isn't business. That's not related to business. The definition of entrepreneur to me is a person जो जुगाड़ जो word होता है पाकिस्तान में.
Jugaad, yes.
Not
it's
in
a
a
beautiful
negative
word.
way. जुगाड़ negative way में लिया जाता है. But like entrepreneurship थोड़ी उससे sophisticate हो जाती है ना French.
Right.
But entrepreneur वो है जो कोई भी मसला आता है और कोई शौक आता है.
You sort it out.
Yeah, you sort it out and you monetize it or you channelize it in a good way. And the process is all entrepreneur. The person is an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship तो जो कहना है कह लो, लेकिन entrepreneur होता है असल जो आपको अगर मैं obstacle दूंगा, you'll find a way to do it and you'll get it done. So जरूरी थोड़ी है कोई business ही कर रहा हो, job में भी लोग करते हैं, हर चीज में करते हैं.
My work in business is very clear. It's got to be done. There's a beginning, a middle, and an end. Even in plays, dramas, even in business, you've got to get it done. So there's a lot of talk, लेकिन action जो होती है वो बड़ा कम होता है. But you've got to get it done. You've got to get it done badly. You've got to get it done well or just okay. But you've got to get it done. नहीं कि वो उसको आधे रास्ते में छोड़ दिया आपने. So you've got to get it done. Action is a very important factor. I feel which is action and focus a little bit more is needed here, I would say, in Pakistan.
That's true.
if there was a comparison, but that is what is needed.
So let's get now down to the list of things that Suhail Bhai does. I'm going to make it a little funny though. I hope you don't mind me. आप मेरी भी टांग खींच सकते हैं, मैं भी तो आपकी टांग खींच सकता हूँ. हम
अच्छा.
दोस्त है ना.
हाँ.
आपने कहा था.
दोस्त है ना.
The very first thing mentioned on this card, his most recent venture, Suhail Hashmi's art gallery. I mean, when you actually enter that room and look at his artwork, the fact that he's just started now, इन्होंने जो मुझे बताया कि जब इन्होंने काम शुरू किया था, या इन्होंने जो आखिरी से पहले पेंटिंग बनाई थी, वो छोटे से बच्चे होते थे, अभी भी ज़्यादा बड़े नहीं हैं, but after such a long time and making such amazing paintings, and I hope we can show it on the screen here as well, जिस तरह की ये पेंटिंग्स बना चुके हैं, एंड मतलब अब मुझे शौक आ रहा है कि मैं खुद पेंटिंग करना शुरू करूँ, बट ही इज़ डन अ फिनोमिनल जॉब. उससे पहले लेकिन कि ये सब शुरू कैसे हुआ, मैं पूछना चाहूँगा सुहेल भाई से कि आप पैसे जो कमाते हैं, वो वाले जो धंधे हैं, उसमें आपने क्या, आपके कुछ काम हैं जो people should know about, or people do already know about? You mentioned City FM 89, but there's so many more things that you have mentioned, and I've seen posters around your socials, around in your living room. तो ये सब जो है, ये आपने क्या ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो लोग थोड़ा सा और आपको पहचानते हैं जिस चीज़ों से?
We talking about the art, how that happened?
Art से पहले.
Art से पहले.
Movie show भी.
Well, I think if we go to radio, तो वहाँ पे then I have to give credit where credit is due, and especially I always mention this, but Mr. Hamid Haroon, owner of Dawn, with the Dawn papers, he was starting up a radio station called City FM 89, and he approached me, or he didn't approach me, he told me, you are going to be the voice of 89. So I just said yes, okay, because I knew when I was director marketing BTV, तो वहाँ से हमारी दोस्ती थी. So he saw something, and then he put me on radio, and then they decided that this should be a morning show, and that was the beginning. I think that was 2004, 2003, early 2004. तो वहाँ से वो career शुरू हुआ. If I was to say that I did everything myself, no. People gave me opportunities, and I was lucky to be in a place at the right time, or I had friendships, so people took me seriously. तो वहाँ पे तो उनका बड़ा मैं शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ, and that is, of course, I worked hard. I learned the trade craft. It took me about 10 days to really get into it, but I had my music from London, so I was able to share with the listeners, with not just rock, but there was there's blues, there's jazz, there's funk, there's all different types of genres of music which I listened to, and luckily the people at that time seemed to like and enjoy it.
Awesome.
So there was something to give, to show, to share. तो वो एक चीज़ वहाँ से हुई, but I can't take all the credit myself on this.
Of course. No, it's a team effort always, and there's vision, there's implementation. I mean, you're great, you're amazing you have amazing vision, but I think
you're amazing.
I think you're better.
You look amazing.
Thank you.
Tall, dark, handsome young man. हाँ? और क्या चाहिए?
वो चाहिए थी, चलेगी.
Long queue of girls fancying you. और क्या चाहिए?
वो नहीं है.
वो नहीं है?
वो नहीं है.
Give it time.
हाँ.
Give it time.
आपने मैंने वॉइस ओवर, आप वॉइस ओवर आर्टिस्ट भी हैं, और मैंने आपका जो एक आपने किया मोटर्स के लिए कभी रिसेंटली किया था, बस मैंने एक वही सुना है.
अच्छा.
उसके अलावा कहते हैं इन्होंने किए हैं, लेकिन मैंने सुने नहीं कभी.
हाँ, किया
तो किया है इन्होंने.
किया
लेकिन क्या किया है आपने वैसे? उसके अलावा आपने डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज बनाई हैं. Are there any fun documentaries what's the best project that you've worked on? Documentary wise, जो boring चीज को आपने सबसे मजे का बनाया हो.
Well, again, through, you said in the intro, do things that you really like. Every documentary to me, I'm not saying is the best, but I've really enjoyed each and every one, because jo bhi aap karte hain, if you do it with your heart, not a cliche, have passion and all that, no. But if you do it with your heart, you enjoy. Because in a lot of interviews, and I'm glad you haven't asked me this question, कि जी आप क्या enjoy करते हैं, direction, ये वो, production, acting.
No, उस फील्ड का बंदा नहीं हूँ ना.
हाँ.
मैं
तो
धंधे
हाँ,
याद करूंगा.
तो वहाँ पे मैं कहता हूँ it's exactly what I'm doing at that time and that space. That is the most important. So that is what I really like and that is what I really enjoy.
So right now the best thing in your life is this podcast.
Yes, this is the best thing in my life at the moment. बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो. This is it. And I think this is one of the secrets in life. Enjoy what you do and give it your all at that specific time and place. So this is my number one at the moment.
हाँ जी, तो हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें इकट्ठे कर ली हैं इसमें से.
Mhm.
But one of the things that I've seen of yours the most, mainly because of your recent YouTube channel,
Mhm.
was your TV show.
Mhm.
So you're
अच्छा,
James Corden? ये पाकिस्तानी जेम्स कॉर्डन या जिमी फैन नहीं, लेकिन आपके ज़माने के हैं ये लोग. लेट नाइट शो नहीं होता अमेरिका में,
हाँ
उस तरह
बिल्कुल
का
बिल्कुल
आपका
of
शायद
course.
कुछ था ना.
Yeah, बिल्कुल. It was Unwind with Sohail Hashmi on PTV World, where I was very lucky to have really, really lovely guests. And I was very cheeky, a little flirty. And
So
we
that's
had
the
a
thing
really
about
good...
you. That's your guy. That's what people know you for.
I don't know. Maybe, yeah,
Maybe.
maybe. I mean, if it's a
शायद.
serious thing, तो फिर वो serious होगी.
हाँ.
लेकिन you have to put, I feel कि you have to put some human element into it. कोई ना कोई चीज़ ऐसे जो हो that you know, it's if you're serious, you have to be serious, but you can put a little angle on that as well. If you're seen by the world to be so serious कि आप अपने ऊपर मजाक भी नहीं कर सकते, you know, that seems to be a chocolate. So yeah, I like to be different in within that if I can. Hopefully people will relate.
So going from digital media back to पेंटिंग को एनालॉग कहते हैं? एनालॉग तो नहीं कहेंगे. देखिए, मैंने अभी कोडैक की मूवी देखी थी कुछ दिन पहले, उसमें डिजिटल और एनालॉग की बात हो रही थी, तो मेरे लिए सबसे जो पुरानी चीज आती है दिमाग में एनालॉग आती है. ये तो हम उससे ही पीछे जा रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
What would it be? Hard core paper paint?
You know, that's a really good question because just very recently I have evolved into 3D painting as well. Now, the painting that I'm working on right now as we speak is a multimedia painting, and there's going to be resin which is going to be used to form a sort of a plastic coating. तो मैं तो खुद ही हैरान हूँ यार, ये मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, ये कैसे हो रहा है. लेकिन as you go forward, you find out things more that you can do with painting. I would never thought painting तो वैसे ही एक चीज़ थी कि I'm never going to do that, you know.
है ना, पेंटिंग ऐसी चीज लगती है यार, वो बहुत क्लीशे है.
Yeah.
वो कौन करे, मैं वो क्या शक्ल बनाऊंगा लोगों की. लेकिन the work you've done, I don't know, it just came so natural to you.
I was lucky. I was actually, the story to this is very interesting. I was given a message to do this, and I wasn't happy with that message. It just came. It wasn't a sound, but it was a feeling, you know, from the universe. कि भाई आपने ये करना है. नहीं, मैंने क्यों करना है? No, but then because if you are given a message, then you can't just say, well, thank you very much, not doing that. ये तो आप नहीं कह सकते. So I went and I tried it, and to my astonishment, I don't know where the colors were coming from. अच्छा, लोग समझते हैं कि वो कर रहे हैं, कि it's me. No, it's not. It's coming from somewhere. You're a vessel. आप एक vessel होते हैं, और फिर वो चीजें आती हैं, you know, and then from there you take from there, and then you do it. You put your name onto it, so everybody thinks it's you. You know, sounds good. Look at what I did, but it is actually coming from somewhere wonderful. So that is what, and I was taken aback by what was coming in. None of my paintings are ever the same. They're all very, very different. They don't, you know. So usme I was lucky and joyful enough to get these colors out, to get these ideas out, and to go forward.
That's very exciting.
Very different.
Yeah, very different.
Didn't expect it at this age, you know what I mean? Didn't expect that.
इस उम्र में तो कुछ और होता है.
अच्छा, क्या?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं.
Really?
खैर, तो नहीं. You're a fit man. You cycle every day.
I'm a fit man. I'm a fit man.
पानी पीने को कह रहा था मैं.
No, but I've got a cycle now.
Yes, that's what I already mentioned, cycling.
अच्छा
आपने सुना ही नहीं? देखिए, आप मुझे कह रहे थे मैं अटेंटिव नहीं हूँ या और लोग
अच्छा।
अटेंटिव, आप अटेंटिव हैं?
You mentioned cycling?
Yeah, I just mentioned, मैंने कहा fit man, you cycle now and you just
अच्छा
will think fit man.
maybe maybe the hearing goes first ना
हाँ,
पहले
see,
वो
that's what I
पहले
was
पहले
saying.
hearing जाती
I
है
thought something else happens at
अच्छा
this age.
हाँ
That's
बिल्कुल
what I
that's what
meant.
it was अच्छा Sheikh very good I'm so glad it was nothing more on the romantic scale or whatever but well done shabash
That's
good
not. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay.
don't worry we'll come to you as well because you're young so there's a lot you have to learn
Yeah. Okay.
बड़े दोस्त जो होते हैं चाचा टाइप होते
Moving
हैं ना
on.
चाचा टाइप
Yes.
1 2 cha cha
So,
cha 3 4 cha 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 हाँ please carry on
okay. आपकी कार्ड ही ज़्यादा चीज़ें तो हमने कैटे कर ली। एक जो रह गई है वो है कि writer and publisher. You have, I mean, clearly you have written books. I don't read books.
Mhm.
But do you write books yourself or do you write autobiographies? No, biographies? Yeah, is it something fun? No.
Nothing as wildly as amazing as you've said. I'm a publisher. I take out magazines.
अच्छा, वो वाले राइटर है।
वो वाले writer हैं.
आप कहते
I
हैं
do
इसने कपड़े अच्छे
articles.
पहने।
No, no, I do articles as well. I write in newspapers and I do articles. Let me plug the newstribe.io.
Oh
That is
yes.
a wonderful newspaper that I also write in as well. So, and there's medium.com. So there's a lot of places where I do write and leave my articles as well. But I'm a publisher, so I do publish magazines.
So Suhail bhai, one of your recent projects,
Mm-hmm.
at this building, which I don't know if you want to disclose. So Suhail bhai, one of these recent projects that you were at these building projects. I don't know if you want to mention it or not.
That was the publishing. Yeah.
Yes. We talked about something new.
Right.
You were sitting there. I just randomly took your laptop, opened up a software.
Hey, I know that is amazing, Saad. इसके बाद ये भी है कि I've got to tell the viewers कि my first interaction with AI was because of you. मतलब you come into my office, right? मैं अपने laptop पे काम कर रहा हूँ as you do. And you said AI, मैंने कहा हाँ हाँ ठीक है लेकिन तुम्हें समझ आ गई थी कि he's not going to do anything about it. So you come over to my place, you take the laptop, जिस window पे मैं काम कर रहा हूँ उसको नीचे किया, right? And then from there, what you did was you started doing your AI stuff, and then you showed me what it could do. अगर तुम ये नहीं करते, if you didn't do this, I wouldn't have been that interested in AI. So you were the one responsible to get me into AI, and I'm thankful for that. So thank you very much indeed for that. लेकिन वहाँ से then I went forward. But it would have been the same thing that we've mentioned कि वो चीज़ फिर fizzle out हो जाती है. लेकिन you made sure it wouldn't fizzle out. That is how well you know me. So well done, son. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was my main intricate looking into AI through Saad Allahwala. So yeah, I appreciate that.
Let's say, understanding it
Mm-hmm.
indirectly or directly are being commanded through AI.
Mm-hmm.
So that is true.
Hmm.
और ये होगा, ये और बढ़ेगा
Hmm.
कि फिल्म्स में शायद डायरेक्टर चेंज होकर वो कोई एआई सॉफ्टवेयर होगा, वो हर एक को पूरी टीम को कमांड जा रहे होंगे, तुमने अब ये वाला आईएसओ पे रखना है कैमरे को, तुमने इस पे ले आओ, इस पे सब कुछ ले आओ, एंड इट्स कमांडिंग पीपल टू मेक थिंग्स फास्टर. पर उसको भी कमांड देने वाला एक बंदा है, बट actually thinking what to do, what not to do is going to be a software, is going to be an AI software. It's really happening. But the only thing is, people are scared of it. Are you scared of it?
No,
Why not?
because it should be scared of me. I'm not scared of it. Although the Cat in the Hat writer, Dr. Zeus, right, I'm sure you must have heard of him. Dr. Zeus Allahwala, ठीक है.
मुझे हाँ एमिरेट्स में वो किताबें मिलती थी.
हाँ, Dr. Zeus, the Cat in the Hat, ये वो. उसके अंदर एक line थी which is really been hitting me for the last couple of days, where it says, progression is progressing too fast. We are not even up to the latest mobile phone. Here we are going off the Mars, and here we are, doing all these things. Uh, so it is very difficult to comprehend without being too philosophical. कितनी अच्छी बात होती if we were able to learn how to live in harmony, get rid of these wars and all the rest of it, and do the best that we can here, um, along with the lines of what Rehan's school is doing, Mr. Allahwala. These type of things are more important than some of these AI things, that are going on. It would be so nice if we could better ourselves as well, instead of just going forward and, all these wars and all the rest of it. We're all going to die one day.
Yeah, eventually.
We're all going to die.
I might as well be happy while we're at it.
Well, on that positive note,
On that positive note, that's Suhail Hashmi's point of view on AI. So you're very mature. You're at a very young age.
sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes. After all these years of working, meeting so many new people, going to so many countries, being in so many, should I say so many relationships?
Friend relationships,
Ah, of course.
of course.
What would your guidance be, or what would your feedback be on life, or tips be for young people like me, or people who are trying to make it in a world of such uncertainty?
Mm.
We live in a world of war, 2 wars going on, 2 wars as we speak in the
That
world
we know about, yeah.
that we know about.
Yeah.
बाकी तो कितनी है जो टीवी पे नहीं आती ना? In a world of a new government, in a world of AI, in a world of non-financial inclusion. I mean 2030 तक UN ने तो पाथ बहुत अच्छा रखा हुआ है. यूनाइटेड नेशंस ने बोला हुआ है कि जी हम लोग ये 17 प्रॉब्लम्स हैं दुनिया के ख़त्म करना चाह रहे हैं. And governments have pledged to do it. But it looks very unlikely that it's going to happen. In a world of global warming, जहाँ पे March 30th को इतनी गर्मी होती है, ग्लेशियर्स पिघल रहे हैं, ग्रीनलैंड का मैं देख रहा था, the whole climate is shifting. So with all of this happening globally, and you've seen quite a lot of generations in your time, in your life.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. What would your suggestion be to us? I mean, on life overall. And not, I mean, of course, not making it long. मेरा question मैंने थोड़ा लंबा कर दिया उसके लिए माजरत. लेकिन this is something that is बहुत कम मुझे मौका मिलता है कि मैं मेच्योर लोगों से जिनके साथ मैं तब फ्रैंक भी हूँ और मुझे पता हो कि इनका जवाब भी मेरे साथ फ्रैंक आएगा और वो असली आएगा तो मैं पूछ सकूँ. So I want to ask it on camera today. Because
Okay.
I do ask you some questions like this on when I'm with you. But why not on camera? So please अगर आप थोड़ा सा मुझे इसमें गाइड करना चाहिए.
इसमें तो मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि remember at my age I'm also learning, I'm also evolving. ये तो एक चीज़ है कि we are continuously, I have not reached the peak, none of us do. तो मेरे साथ भी चीज़ evolve कर रही है. एक चीज़ मैं ये भी कह सकता हूँ कि जी हमारे ज़माने में without these phones, without these complications and the attention that is being diverted to so many things, at my time, which is now, I will also say that this is also my time, it wasn't as complicated, although it was complicated enough, but it wasn't as complicated as it is for younger people. And my heart goes out to the young people with all the sort of stuff that they have to cope with. Being born in the years that I was born in, it was okay. Things seemed to be a bit more simple. There was no phone. You used to go outside, used to play, used to climb trees. I just put a post on my Facebook, me climbing a tree at that age, black and white, of course. And so it was a relatively simple time. Now one is diverted by many things. एक तो अपने प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, एक तो अपनी फैमिलीज के प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, एक तो आपके पेरेंट्स के प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं. सो द मैनी थिंग्स which are going on. जो गाइडेंस या जो मैं इसमें कह सकता हूँ इज वी गॉट टू गेट बैक टू द बेसिक्स. बेसिक का मतलब क्या है कि वी हैव टू लर्न ऑन टू फोकस ऑन वन थिंग. मुझे भी अपने आप को आई हैव टू ट्राई एंड सी कि मैं एक चीज़ पे फोकस करूं, बिकॉज फॉर मी टू डाइवर्ट इनटू अनदर थिंग इज़ वेरी इजी. एज इट इज़ आई एम डूइंग 10-15 थिंग्स एट द सेम टाइम. ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, आर्ट भी होना है, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, वो एक्टिंग भी, ये भी, सो यू डू, बट यू हैव टू compartmentalize, and you have to learn how to do this. ये भी एक art है, and these arts need to be taught. They are not being taught, but this is something that should be taught कि भाई एक चीज़ पे focus, वो करो, उस चीज़ को ख़त्म करो. अच्छा ख़त्म किया, बुरा ख़त्म किया, जैसे भी उसको ख़त्म करो, then go on to the next. But there is a focus problem that we have. So let's say if you're going through a problem, there's wars happening, you're upset, this or that, जो तुम्हारा काम है, running your school or going abroad or whatever, just focus on that for the time being. Remember some time ago when I mentioned, okay, this is the best thing that I'm doing because I'm doing it now. So unfortunately, वो cliche आ जाता है, be in the now, be in the present. If you're going into the past, then that has already happened. If you're going into the future, that we don't know what's happening, there's anxiety and hay Allah ab kya hoga type feeling that you get inside. But to try and pull yourself back into the present is very difficult. I have to keep on reminding myself, यार प्रेजेंट में रहो, अभी क्या हो रहा है, किधर बैठे हो, साद इधर है, वो कैमरामैन है, लोग यहाँ पे हैं, दिस लाइट्स, बी फोकस्ड. I have to force myself to do this. But if one is trained, so train yourself to be focused and stay in the present. आजकल के ज़माने में, this is what I can say. Does that help you?
Yes. No, you're very right. We forget the fact that we're living in now, not in tomorrow, not in yesterday. And सवाब भी उसी का मिलेगा, सवाल भी इसी का होगा कि अभी क्या किया है, अपने टाइम में क्या किया. तो अपने उस टाइम को हम ज़ाया कर देते हैं सोचने में कि हम आगे वाले टाइम में क्या करेंगे, पीछे वाले टाइम में हमने क्या कर दिया. बिकॉज लर्निंग फ्रॉम टाइम इज़ बेटर, बट लिविंग इन द पास्ट और फ्यूचर इज़ हॉरिबल.
I mean, the past could have been fantastic and the future is going to be even better. Lekin,
now is the best.
It's what is you doing now? What's actually happening?
Kung Fu Panda में आता है ना, the best. उसकी मीम्स तो बहुत आती थी, but yesterday was history. Tomorrow is a mystery. But today is a gift. So we never really accept the gift that we have. तो no, और दूसरा आपने कहा कि सीखते रहो और एक्सेप्ट करते रहो कि जो है उसको अच्छा. I think positive attitude is something that we always forget. A lot of my friends, whenever someone's in crisis or something, मेरी सिर्फ हेल्प करते हैं. सबसे पहले एक चीज़ होती है, I tell them to breathe.
अच्छा.
I tell them to take 10 deep breaths, calm down, and then अभी भी जब मैं आया था ना, तो you saw a lot was happening.
बिल्कुल.
But then when we were talking and you were eating, na, for like a minute I was just breathing. Because everything has a reason to happen. गर्मी है, शायद इसकी वजह से हमारा खून, धूप लग रही है, उसकी वजह से खून गर्म हो रहा है, उसकी वजह से हम ब्रीथ कम कर रहे हैं, और ब्रीथ कम कर रहे हैं, ऑक्सीजन अंदर कम जा रही है, तो हम अपने ब्रेन को ऑक्सीजन कम मिलेगी तो सोचेगा भी कम हो सकता.
और आप तो जवान है ना, तो आपका खून वैसे ही गर्म है.
हाँ, यही है
मिस्टर अल्लाह वाला.
तो आप जब धूप में होते हैं तो क्या होता है?
I melt. You don't see me anywhere. I'm gone, man. I'm gone.
अभी तक तो नहीं गए यार.
धूप नहीं है ना यहाँ पे.
चले बाहर चलते, जान छूटे मेरी.
Achha, now you are planning to take me to an island. Tell me a bit about that.
Oh yes, okay. Oh yeah, fun. Thank you for asking. I was hoping that someone would bring this up.
Maybe we could film that as well.
So we've been. Oh yeah, we should make a vlog. a lot of people have been to Istanbul. A lot of people have heard of Princess Island in Istanbul. इस्तांबुल में आप एक फेरी में बैठते हैं, 1 घंटा से 1.5 घंटा दूर एक आइलैंड पे जाते हैं, वहाँ पे आप टहलते हैं, खाना पीना खाते हैं, थोड़ी वॉकिंग करते हैं, साइकिल रेंट करके चलाते हैं, गो कार्ट में घूमते हैं, इस तरह की चीज़ें, गाड़ियाँ नहीं उधर. सिमिलरली कराची में भी 2 आइलैंड्स हैं, बाबा आइलैंड एंड भिट आइलैंड. मैं आज से 5-6 साल पहले गया था.
अच्छा.
पर आप केमाड़ी जाते हैं, अपनी गाड़ी पार्क करते हैं, 40 रुपये या 50 रुपये की फेरी लेके आप आइलैंड के ऊपर जाते हैं. आइलैंड के ऊपर छोटी छोटी गलियां हैं. यू सी द सबर्बन पाकिस्तान. Make it flashy. Why are we saying slums? Make it suburban Pakistan because it's developed. It's actual concrete. People are living there.
This is something that I have to see and I have to learn.
Yes.
So your guidance is needed here. Can you believe it? Your guidance is needed.
जिस भी तरह हम perceive करते हैं एक चीज को वो वैसी बन जाती है, right?
Right.
हम perceive करते हैं DHA is amazing and Nazamabad is horrible. Even though if you go to Nazamabad, there's more parks, there's better infrastructure.
Yep, absolutely right? Correct. It's a good analogy.
So it's just how we perceive things. मैं पिछले हफ्ते जो मुंबई का स्लम नहीं है सबसे फेमस दुनिया का, जिस जहाँ पे स्लम डॉग मिलियनेयर भी शूट हुई थी,
Right, right.
उस स्लम की डॉक्यूमेंट्री देख रहा था. That slum alone creates $2 billion of revenue for India. It's not a slum anymore, and the people living there don't want to leave because they don't perceive it as bad. They perceive it as what they've grown into, their culture, their heritage, and that's what it is. So coming back to Bhit Island and Baba Island, पतली पतली गलियां हैं, रोड के बच्चे साइड पे खेल रहे होंगे, रोड के साइड पे छोटे छोटे लोगों ने घर के बाहर दुकानें लगाई हुई होती हैं. अच्छा, वहाँ की सबसे फैसिनेटिंग चीज़ लगी कि कराची से उधर पानी शायद नहीं जाता, पानी की लाइन नहीं है, शायद हो, बट व्हाट आई सॉ वाज हमारे घर में पानी के टैंकर आते हैं, वहाँ पे पानी के टैंकर जो हैं वो शिप्स में होते हैं. तो इसी तरह है, बड़े बड़े टैंक्स होते हैं शिप्स के ऊपर रखे हुए, वो जा रहे होते हैं उधर, तो बड़ा मज़ा आता है देख के. बट पीपल लिव देयर एंड आई एम गोना टेक सोहेल भाई देयर. You can take a ferry 50 rupees, 100 rupees, spend the day. 500 रुपये में आराम से आप ये ट्रिप कर आ जाएँ, वहीं से एक और फेरी पकड़ के मनोड़ा चले जाएँ. That's what I said कि हम मनोड़ा जाके एक अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट, डेस्टिनेशंस वहाँ पे होटल है, उसका रेस्टोरेंट है, उसमें खाना खाएं.
Sounds great, यार.
तो it's a, and when you go to Manora, you don't feel like you're in Pakistan anymore. The infrastructure is phenomenal. It felt like have you heard of the Chugum?
No, I haven't.
Commonwealth countries तो पता है ना?
अच्छा, yes.
जो ब्रिटिश, सब तो ब्रिटिश है ना?
हाँ, होना चाहिए, बिल्कुल पता होना चाहिए.
कॉमनवेल्थ कंट्रीज जो हैं, जिसमें ऑस्ट्रेलिया, पाकिस्तान आता था,
हाँ,
तो चोगम एक कॉन्फ्रेंस होता था कॉमनवेल्थ का, अभी भी होता है, जो श्रीलंका में हुआ था. उसमें मैं गया था when I was 13. So I met the president of Sri Lanka. They revamped the whole country for that conference.
You mean the president of Sri Lanka had the pleasure of meeting you, Saad?
The other way around,
That
yes.
is amazing.
The other way around, yes.
Lucky guy.
That guy got jailed.
Acha.
For corruption. Then he came out. Then the economy fell. Bankruptcy. Hey, coming back to me, maybe that's why it happened.
Thank you for sharing that. Okay.
Yeah. तो it felt like how they revamped Sri Lanka in a tourist way. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं पाकिस्तान में जो available हैं, जो tourism के लिए available हैं, we're just not capitalizing over them. La 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 la. Bad. Good. लेकिन too many opportunities in this country that we're neglecting, and I think there's so much to be done that we're just not taking benefit of. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.
To the islands we go.
To the islands we go.
ठीक है.
And to Mars we go. मैं एक दिन शादी में बैठा हुआ था थोड़े सीनियर लोगों के साथ, not too senior, and people सब बात कर रहे थे, दुनिया ख़त्म होने वाली है, वो होने वाला है. मैंने कहा आप लोगों को जो करना है करें, मैं जवान हूँ, मैं तो 10 साल बाद मार्स चले जाऊँगा, आप लोग अपना देख लेना. And just perceiving and imagining that you can actually go to Mars. People can't even do that. So it's a fun time that we live in. You were mentioning that it was simpler time. I think it's simpler time now. Yes, it's more sophisticated maybe, but it's so much simpler. You can call your mom right now. You can send her a location. My mom just called. Wow. But can do so much. I don't think I've missed anything on the podcast. If there's anything else you like to add.
Well, there's another 5 or 6 days to go on the podcast, but we can do that at a different time. But it's been really nice to finally sit here और तुम्हारे साथ बात करने का चांस मिला. इतनी देर से हम ये प्लान कर रहे थे, लेकिन again, to what we've been talking about, it's the action which is so important. It is the action of actually doing it, which is a very, very important factor. So thank you very much indeed for having me on your podcast.
So I usually finish my podcast like this. Thank you so much for watching. This was Suhail Hashmi. And Suhail bhai, thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for being a guest. It was really an honor. Should I be doing it like this or should it be differently?
Well, it has been an honor for me, and I think an honor to the friendship that we've accumulated over how many years now? It's been 4 years of friendship.
4-5 साल.
Yeah, 4 years of friendship.
4 साल.
And it's great.
मेरे पहला जो रेडियो शो हुआ था उसमें सुहेल भाई ने मुझे बुलाया था. And it was my first interview like on a
Right, on a radio.
public thing.
Yeah,
Not radio, just
right.
TV भी. TV भी नहीं गया था. Then TV पे भी आपके
हाँ,
जो एक चाहने वाले थे उनके थ्रू में गया. Malik
right.
Ali Bajar, so I went on bowl. It's a lot of fun.
Hey, good. You're a natural, yeah. I mean,
No, you trained me well and आपकी जो कुछ चीज़ें हैं वो हर वक्त याद रहती हैं. मैं लोगों से शेयर भी करता हूँ. तो a great person to follow, a great person to add, a great person to have as a mentor. Do follow him. Do subscribe to his YouTube. Do push him to do more while he's here because बहुत कम अब लोग अच्छे मिलते हैं around जो सिखाने के जज्बा भी रखते हों. I'm not saying कि नहीं है, but इस डिज़ाइन के लोग अब कम हैं, तो इनका फ़ायदा उठाएं. Again, thank you so much for watching. I have podcasts coming out every single week. Maybe not as amazing as this one, but amazing guests. And इस podcast में जो अच्छी बात है जो आपने आज सुना वो ये है कि मेरे जो बाकी podcasts हैं उसमें जो चीज़ मैं इस्तेमाल करता हूँ बातचीत करने के लिए टिप्स में वो मैंने यहाँ सीखी है. और again, as I've just mentioned, add him, follow Suhail Hashmi, ask him to make more content about what he knows and his stories and how you also can be in his industry. So again, thank you so much for coming. I've said it a bunch of times already, but it really is an honor to have you as a friend.
shake on it.
Startups, entrepreneurship, starting your own new business. Join me every week as we dive into stories, topics, and advices from the top founders, innovators, the crazy ones, the misfits, the troublemakers. Every Saturday at 4 p.m. I'll see you there.